Hey there, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create QR code for free using Canva in step by step. Now open the Canva by clicking on it. Step 2, click on the plus icon in the center in the down section. Now select the size of the pixel by clicking on customize size. Select the size, add the size in the size box. Now click on create new design. Wait for it. Here click on this plus icon in the side. Now in order to create the URL code, slide in this down section like this. Now click on apps. Now type on the search Canva apps QR code. Now click on search on your keyboard. Here are the QR code. Now select the black and white to make it legit. Wait for it to load. Here paste the link of your URL. Now click on generate code. As you can see, it is generating. Now it has generated it. Now put this toggle down by slide pushing it down. Now in order to scale up this QR code, tap on it. Now hold the side to scale it up and put it in a perfect position. Here you have created the URL code. Step 3, you can also change the color of this URL code by clicking on it. Now click on edit, then click on customize. Here click the toggle, the arrow toggle on the side. Here you can change anything you want. Here the color, in order to update it, select any color you want, red, any color you want, and then tap on it. Now click on update code. You see it, you change the QR code color. Now step 4, you can save it by clicking on download. Now wait for it to finish preparing. We have saved it in our gallery. Remember, this is my YouTube QR code. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notification of more tech related guide. See you on the next video. I'm Gentle Shadow, and here on this channel I'm Gentle Shadow Videos Tech. Thank you once again.